At WordCamp Europe, developers shared progress on their new AI client and AI capabilities. Quite simply, they're trying to create a standard way for how a lot of AI agents or plugins and tools can work together in a consistent way. What I mean is, if you look at like standard WordPress or plugins or page builders, when they're interacting with things like WooCommerce or generally your WordPress website, they kind of hook into things, so there's like a standard way, even though they may do things their own way. What WordPress are trying to do is to implement that with AI as well. Because at the moment, when you're connecting or you are using like an AI plugin, they're not all touching the same thing, which can create some difficulties if you create a solution and then you go and change plugin. It's almost like you're having to reinvent the wheel. And that is why WordPress are trying to create a common framework. Why does this matter? Think of it like phone chargers. Many years ago, we had all these phone companies and they all had their own unique chargers. And then eventually we moved into USB-C, which is kind of quite consistent across any phone that you now use. And that's a bit like how AI currently works in WordPress. So when you get all these plugins, they're going to be talking to their own AI solution. OpenAI, Codex, Claude, Gemini, or some other AI system. Could even be a local system on your local hard drive that you've connected to. So can we have a common AI system that all of these plugins or AI tools could talk to? Ultimately, plugin developers could create their solution, and then it won't matter where the client connects to. So you as a business or a freelancer, you're using their plugin, and it won't matter whether you're using Codex or Claude or Gemini or anything else. The end result or solution will be consistent no matter what you use. And if they get that right, that means it's going to give you, the user, more freedom to connect to what you want. Because maybe some plugins only work efficiently or properly if you're using a particular AI client. Now, I can't completely prove that, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be some solutions out there that when you switch to a different AI, they might falter or fall over. Now, we're still in the early stages and this was being discussed and talked about, and there are people working. There's a link in the video description, but this does show that WordPress aren't sitting on the fence when it comes to the AI revolution. It's actively trying to make AI part of the ecosystem in an open and extensible way.